Hey there. Let's see if my neighbor's home. Just gonna use my foot to. He's stronger than I am. If I could get that back up, I could wall it out. So, oh joy. Brakes aren't making no bad noises. Yeah, he's not here. It's okay. I just don't want to throw a big old screwdriver on that and prise it open and pop that cable loose. Any bad noises coming out of the front joints. That's good. Joy. It's actually a good car. I've had daily drivers that didn't seem to do as well as this one. Let's just pull it up in front of the garage here. I'll take a look at that. And usually you just pull them and they come right out. It doesn't flip that way or that way. It's a straight out cable pull, but it's tough. I find something at the end of a higher pliers handle or something to put a little gentle pressure on that. Let's see, I don't want to break it. Okay. If I get it out, I'll see if I can squirt some kind of lubricant in the line. Of some sort today. I think that did the trick. Let me tell you, that's pretty tight. I'm gonna see if I can oil that up. I think before I even do anything else, while I'm thinking about it, let me see if I can figure out how to squirt something into that hood release latch thing. That might be it right there. Yep. This might be it right here. And with it up in the air like that, see if I get some right kind of oil to run down in that. That could be a really good thing. Now, you can shoot some penetrating oil into something like that. Penetrating oil is good for penetrating, but it evaporates. Sometimes you want the kind of oil that will not evaporate. And I use, this is Marvel Mystery Oil. I've got a little bit in that or not, but this is for there's a little bit in there. This is for power tools, like air tools and stuff like that. Let's see if I can get that over in there and down in there. That ain't gonna work. I might have something with a squirter on it. Something like it's a card cleaner. Oh. This might do the trick. I think this has got some mixture of. I think I've got some transmission fluid and some Zylol, or what do you call that stuff? That looks like motor oil right there. Even motor oil's better than nothing, though. Now I need something thinner than that. One of these has got some, what's the word I'm looking for? It's not Zylol, it's acetone. Acetone and transmission fluid makes a pretty good penetrating oil. You usually tell by the color. Alright, let's try this one right here. Maybe this is the one. There you go. Red. Red's the right color for that. Let's go in here and put a little bit on this end too. Okay, the other thing I did with that stuff is I oiled up each one of these latches. There's one on each side, and there's a cable that runs across, and each one has a side like this that works. And I'm getting some oil all up in there. Now I'm dripping some oil on the motor, but that's not fatal. I'm not too worried about that. What I do want to do is make sure I've lubed up anything that can give me any kind of difficulty when we're in there. Because that thing does have a cable and I wanted to get some lubrication down in that cable, I had put some automatic transmission fluid and I want to say Tylenol. It's not Tylenol, it's not Xylol, it's acetone. But I put some carburetor cleaner and squirted it right into the line, thinking that maybe it would push down and penetrate down in there, down into the line itself, because it's basically just a cable with it's a hollow plastic tube with a cable inside. Get it, if that cable is dried up and not wanting to move, I need to get some lubrication down in there. Let's try. Still a little hard. It's manageable last time, it's still a little hard. Yeah. That's much better. Much better. Okay. So